Hi everyone, how are you today? Are you getting excited for Christmas? Well, today we're going to make a Christmas ornament for your tree, and it's beautiful, and you might want to make more than one. If you need to have the materials for this, we do have some kits at the library, and you can come and pick them up. I'm using a plastic bulb that I bought at Michael's on sale. And I'm going to take the top off, and I'm going to fill it with some of this brown Easter straw that I also got at Michael's. But you know, you could really fill it with anything you want. And I'm just going to use a pencil to help me stick it in there because I need to get lots in there. And it's sort of hard to get it in sometimes. Do you have your tree up yet? Some people do. I don't have my tree up yet, but I see in the windows a lot of people have their trees up already because they want lots of time to enjoy them. And of course, all the beautiful Christmas lights you see on all the houses. It's so much fun to drive around at Christmas time. Christmas this year will be a little bit different. We probably won't have any Christmas concerts, but you know, we just have to do everything we can to keep everybody safe. So I hope you'll be able to spend some time with your family for Christmas. Let's just get the last of this in. Use up these little pieces here. Oh, one more. Don't want to waste anything. This thing can be a bit messy. Then I'm going to put the top back on. And of course there is a little loop there, so I will be able to hang this on my tree. Oh, I got folded there a little bit. All right, that'll do. Now, this is going to be a reindeer when I'm finished. So I need to have some antlers. I took a brown pipe cleaner and cut it in half. And I twisted it on top. And then to make it look a little bit more like antlers, I took the other half and cut it into pieces so that I can twist them on. And it looks a little bit more like reindeer antlers. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, so I better give this reindeer a nose. I'm using my hot glue gun and a nice red pom-pom to give him a nice shiny nose. And of course, our reindeer needs eyes. So let's put some nice eyes on our reindeer. So that he can see where he's going. And there we have a beautiful tree decoration. And it looks wonderful. So if you would like a kit for this craft, just come on into the library and ask for a reindeer craft and we'll give it to you. Or if you want to make tons of them, Mom can go to Michael's and see if she can get some on sale, and you can make lots of those. And you could fill them with anything. It doesn't have to be this brown straw. You could find something brown at home to fill it with. So there is a beautiful tree decoration. And I sure hope you have a great Christmas decorating. Have a good day. Bye.